Hi, I'm at Cloud Expo, and I'm here with Allison from NaviSite. Alan, welcome. How's the show going for you so far?
It's going great. We're having a blast.
That's great. So it's been about 6 months now since the acquisition. How are things looking at NaviSite?
Things are looking great. When we went into the acquisition, we were told that Time Warner Cable wasn't going to come in and make any major changes, and here we are 6 months later, and they haven't made any major changes. We're allowed to work the same way we've always been working and deliver the same level of services that we've always been able to.
That's actually a surprise in an acquisition of that size. Are you seeing your customers reacting differently since the acquisition? Are they asking you different questions maybe now than they were 6 months ago?
Well, the questions are actually completely different, right? When we would go through the evaluation process, when they would look at multiple different service providers, one of the questions that frequently came up is, show us your financials. Now being part of Time Warner Cable, it's no longer a concern.
That must make it easier. So all the industry surveys out there are still ranking security as one of the top concerns with the cloud, yet cloud adoption is going through the roof. So are those concerns lessening, or are companies getting smarter about security?
Companies are getting smarter about security, but in both ways, right? They're learning to ask the right questions, but I think what's happening a little bit is people are getting more and more concerned about what is that cloud and is it really secure, which helps us in a lot of ways, because we deliver all of the solutions that you would ordinarily expect in a well-developed cloud environment without having to work through every minute detail that a customer might not know or understand.
Well, the unfortunate truth is security threats are out there, right? I know you're going to talk later today about how to not let the cloud platform be used as a security threat. So what's your advice? So
when I go through this in the presentation, we're going to talk through four major key components: people, process, technology, and business. And we're going to discuss a little bit about what can be done, and this is true for both infrastructure as a service providers and regular cloud customers. What can they do to ensure that their environment is secure, that we're maintaining the right level of compliance, and that none of those stupid things that people end up doing can happen.
That's great. Well, thank you for taking the time with us today. Enjoy the rest of the show, and good luck on your session.
Thank you very much.